Konnichiwa, Ianです. Today, let's learn some Japanese. We're going to have a Nihongo challenge, Japanese challenge. I'm not very good, so let's see how good I am. We're going to use Duolingo, which is... it's not good. But I think it's interesting because you're going to see how much English is here. There's a lot. And you'll see the problems with Duolingo. But I think it's good to go through this for me, for you. And we're in August 2024. So we can come back and see if I get any improvements or not. I tell you to get better at English, so am I going to get better at Japanese? Let's see. So, describing eating habits. You see English everywhere. It might be better for you to do, say you're English, and do Duolingo learning Japanese to learn more English. But let's see. Okay, straight away, what is the point? Which one of these is dinner? I don't even have to look at any of these words. Right, so that's obviously lunch, that's obviously a drink, and that's, well, wine and I don't even remember what they call it, we lift the thing up, so that's obviously dinner. This here is also written in all hiragana and Romanji. So, you know, straight away, what Japanese ever learnt? None. I'm just going to click the wine. Yes. Write this in English.
Hachiji.
Go on then, play. It doesn't work very well on my computer.
Hachiji. Terebi o omimasu.
Right, so I think we sort of... No, it's not going to play. But really, you'll see the other cheat, where if I do this,
Hachiji.
it says the word.
Terebi o.
So I've already found out it's...
Hachiji.
Eat.
Terebi o.
Television.
Terebi o omimasu.
Watch. So, let's make sense of that. I watch TV at 8 o'clock. Yes.
毎晩本を読みます。
My ban. I don't know what that word means. But I guess it's every night, because it's ban, like kon ban wa. Yes, so every night, book, read. I read a book every night. Books, okay. I read books every night. Yeah.
毎晩ニュースを見ます。
Okay, did you hear that? That was the one from 2 questions back playing. We got double there. Useless.
毎晩ニュースを見ます。
So my ban.
毎晩ニュースを見ます。
My ban news.
ニュースを見ます。
I'll listen to it slowly.
毎晩ニュースを見ます。
Yeah, I think I got that right. But again, I'm just reading the Romanji more than the actual words. That shouldn't be there. It makes it too easy for me.
7時半にテレビを見ます。
Shitiji. So it's 7 o'clock. Half 7. Ni TV. I watch TV. I watch TV at 7:30. Half 7, 7:30, same thing. 5 in a row. Yeah.
9時に晩ご飯を食べます。
9時ni, so 9 o'clock. Bangohan, dinner, o tabimasu. I eat my dinner at 9 o'clock. I eat dinner at 9 o'clock.
9時
Kuji. Well, it's obviously that one, isn't it? Because that's Ku. G.
9時
And, ooh, that's 4. That's fish. That's big. That's half. Huh.
半
Also, did you see that when I clicked on it, it said it, so I could have just clicked on all of them and it would have told me. I'll do that next time.
半
And so it's that one, but let's say it's this one, G.
時
Oh, so
半時
I know it's not that one.
半半
It's that one. It's too easy. So Hachi, number 8, which is this one. That's haha.
母
That's watashi.
私
Hachi.
8
And does that just go?
話
Oh, hanashi. Yeah, it's not language, it's speak, isn't it? So, little mistake, but yeah, hachi.
8
10 in a row. Oh, I was listening.
8
Hachi.
8 8
Is it that one? Sounds like it.
8半8 8
At least this one gets you reading in hiragana and listening. So this one's okay. This type of question's good. Although it makes it too easy because I can just speak.
9時8 8
30. That's interesting because surely it's half. That's 6. Ega's English.
映画半
But when it's time, yeah, that's 7:30 p.m. But I thought that means half, as in 7:30, but who knows? Thumbs up. Oh, these ones are good. So,
半
we've learned this apparently 30. Juni
12
is going to be 12.
映画
Ega. So it's not English, it's movies. I always get those two confused. Sound very similar. Ego, ega. Hachi.
8
Nigata.
にぎやか
Nigiyaka.
はい9時にアニメを見ます
Yes. So we got 9. Anime watch. So yes, I watch anime at I couldn't see the 9 o'clock. And what's this? Kuji. There's no sound on this one. You gotta just know what the kanji is. It's G, and that's Hashi. Great work. Let's make it a bit harder. Alright, go for it.
サンドイッチ
Whoa, what the hell was that? I think that was the sounds from the last one. Okay, it did have sounds, but delayed. So, Mrs. Yamaguchi, so Yamaguchi,
山口
so,
3
she eats dinner at 7:30. So we gotta go backwards. So, speaking of Yamaguchi-san, at or 7. Might be in. Oh yeah, there it is.
7時
7 o'clock. No, we got a han. We got a han.
半
We got a knee. We got a dinner.
晩ご飯
Oh. Timeless.
食べます
Yes. Yeah. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. So.
8時
Hachi- Okay, let me speak. Hachi. Ni.
に
Bang.
晩ご飯
Oh.
を食べます
Tabamath. Winner. Okay, now the dude's loading, so what do you think of that? perfect. 100%. Just want to flex for the next bit. 1,192 days. Now, the reality is about nearly 900 and something of them were French. Nearly 1,000 were French. So, look at that. Straight up. Number 9. Beat these guys. So, yeah. A lot of my time here, these 1,000 days, was French. See, French. But I've started doing this one as well, because I've stopped the French. I'm just doing Japanese. It's more fun. What did you think of this? Do you think there was too much English? Too easy? This is still unit section 2, so it's quite early on. 100%. It's not difficult, and I'm not very good at Japanese. There you go. Come back in a few months, do another challenge. Yeah, and we'll be back soon with a English lesson, which is an important part of this channel. So, yeah. Arigato. Matane.